Hey guys, so I just got off work and it was weekend, so I worked all weekend unfortunately, but my weekend starts now. Monday and Tuesday I'm off. So I just got home and I was like, let me pick up the camera and vlog because you guys have been liking the vlogs. Vlogmas was pretty good, you know, even though I filmed half of December because of traveling. Like, I got a lot of great feedback and a lot of you guys really engaged with my vlogmas, and it really opened my eyes into some things. So this year I wanted to, like, you know, try to what is the word to use, try to, like, you know, I don't know, just vlog more, I guess. Vlog more and maybe not have to like overthink my videos so much because you guys just like me just chatting and talking more. So I probably don't have to do so much more of, like, you know, sit down and planned out videos like that. Like, you guys like the talky chatty ones. So I was like, let me do that more this year, you know. So I said, let me pick up my camera because I feel like talking. I just got back home from work, as I said, and I'm about to wash my hair. I haven't washed my hair in like a week, so I need to wash my hair. And this year, like, I don't know what it is, what it was, I don't know, but when I came back from Nigeria and I was just so busy and stuff, I didn't even have time to think about, you know, my next hairstyle. So I've just been styling, you know, my natural hair like this, you know, with some attachments like, you know, Marley hair and like yaki hair, Kenekalon hair, to make like buns and braids and stuff. And I was just like, I'm like tired of weaves. I'm tired of wigs. Like, I'm tired of it. I'm like, don't even want to think about doing that for a while. So that also got me to thinking, like, I also said that I wanted to start, you know, trying to style my natural hair more and like learn about it, because I'm still trying to like get used to and like understand and like find a way to like maintain like my natural hair, you know. And it's long enough for me to like do styles now, so I have to like learn and stuff like that. So I need to do that. I'm just like rambling, but yeah, so I need to wash my hair. And then I think I wanted to try to do, like, a couple weeks ago I did cornrows, like 2 cornrows going back, and I tried it and it worked, like I did it. So tomorrow I want to try it again with more hair. I got like Kenekalon hair from the beauty supply store, so just let me try it this time and make them like bigger and chunkier and stuff and see how that works, and keep practicing my braiding skills. So I'll wash my hair tonight, moisturize, condition, oil, all that, and then like flat twist it so it's stretched out for tomorrow for me to style. So about to do that. But I was just going through my videos, like the comments on my videos and stuff like that, just reading you guys' comments. So I need to like get back into the like asking questions and like chatting and talking and stuff, because you guys like that so much, and you know, I appreciate it. So I will do that, like go through the comments from, you know, all the Nigeria videos, because you guys had so many questions. So I'll go through those and just answer them and stuff like that as the days go by. But yeah, I need to wash my hair. I live for days that I'm off because then I can get everything done. So I'm so excited. Like, I want to go to bed now so I can wake up early tomorrow and like start my day. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, I have to wash my hair. Wash my hair. I have to upload a video, edit and upload a video, clean up a little bit, and then plan the next 2 days on my planner and stuff. So yeah, but anyways, when I wash my hair and like I clean the house and do things, I like to watch YouTube videos. And when I'm in the shower, I'm gonna pull up Wendy Williams' show because I haven't watched it in a while. I need to catch up. So I'm just gonna play it while I'm washing my hair so I can have it playing in the background while I'm doing my hair. Good morning. I woke up early today. I woke up around 7:30. Right now it's 8. And I'm about to go head to the gym. So yeah, so I just posted my latest vlog, which is my Nigeria chit chat video. I was just doing my hair and just talking about my Nigeria experiences and answering some questions that I remembered from stuff people were asking me. So just a quick video on that. So yeah, going to the gym. I haven't been in the gym in a hot minute, which is not good because we got a wedding this year, so you need to get it together. Yes, I need to get it together. So yeah, going to the gym early as frick in the morning. It snowed a little bit last night, so there's kind of some snow around, but it's really cold. But I just have a lot of things to do on my list that are just at home, so I can just be at home warm. But I have to go to the gym, so let me get ready with that. Bunch of videos to record today, so I'm excited. I love waking up early in the mornings when I don't have to go to work because it's just easier that way. I don't know if it's just me, but does anyone find it easier to wake up early in the morning when you know you have things to do but you don't have work? When you have work, it's just like you just want to wake up at the latest time you can just to make it to work on time. That's me. I plan on waking up at like 5:36, but I didn't go to bed as early as I wanted to because I was trying to upload this video because it was taking forever. So I woke up like an hour later than I wanted to. Okay, so we got that. Catch me outside, how about it? Me for the gym. Ooh, my wallet. Always forget that. All right. Let's head out. I just got to the gym. It's always this time you think about, what do I tell myself so I can make it in there? But yeah, I go to the gym at LA Fitness. This car is like blocking the entrance, so you can't even see anything. So yeah, LA Fitness is my gym. I actually really like it. One is that if I ever move, I can always go to LA Fitness because LA Fitness is everywhere, and it's pretty cheap. I pay like $20 a month for my membership, and I can go to any LA Fitness anywhere in the US. LA Fitness is actually a smaller one. The one I went to before when I was living in Cincinnati, it had 2 floors, but it was still kind of small too. I know there's like some really large LA Fitnesses. There's one that's like 10 minutes from here, and it's a really big one. I see a lot like in this like Dayton area actually, but yeah, going to the gym. Today I'm just gonna do weights. This week I think I just want to do weights all this week, and then next week I'll do like cardio and stuff like that. So let's get in there, guys. 2017. Summer is just around the corner, so we got to get our summer bodies ready. I have like a goal weight of 135. That's like my goal weight. It's like 135. I was like 135 like when I was in college. So I'm like 10 pounds off from there. So if I can just lose 10 pounds this year, that would be perfect. So yeah, I'm like 145 right now. I'm like 142. I was 145, but it was because it was like that time of the month, and I always add some weight during that time, but usually I'm like 142. So I have a little less than 10 pounds, so like 8 pounds to lose, and I'll be at my goal weight. I want to be 135. Actually, really, I want to be 130, 125. But Chris was like, don't you even dare get down that low. And I'm like, why? That's like the way I was when I was like in college. He was like, and he was like, you want me to return you to your village? So he was like, don't go less than 135. I'm like, fine. But I get to 135 and I'll keep going. You're not gonna tell him, but he'll notice. So 135, ladies, is where I'm trying to get to, just to make everybody happy. I have a bunch of junk in my car. All the wedding shows that I've been to this month, I like left the bags in my car. So I have like bags of just flyers and papers and all that. So I have to go through those and like pick a vendor for like photographer and video and all that stuff. So hopefully I can get to do that today or tomorrow. Anyways, it's already 8:17. I have to get to the gym. I'm back from the gym. Today was leg day, lower half of my body day. So that's what I focused on today. And I feel like I need to sit down and I can't even feel my legs. Now I'm just gonna take a shower and get ready for the day. I have a bunch of videos to record, so that'll basically be my day today. I will do like, I'll go through my Nigeria videos and answer some questions that people were asking. So I'll do it a little bit later. But for now, get to work. To do my hair too. So I wanted to, I don't know if I think I mentioned this before. Like I'm tired of weaves. Wigs and all that. So this is the hair that I got. So I got some braiding hair from the beauty supply store. Just like, this was like $1.99, some just cheap hair. But I wanted to do I said this already, cornrows, two cornrows on my head, because I did it before with other hair, but I wanted to try it with this hair and make it thicker. So this is what I'm doing my hair today. So that would be a nice little experiment. And then a bunch of other stuff that I need to do. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Let me open up all the windows in my place. Oh, already open. Well, I gotta eat breakfast. So my breakfast will be apple, peanut butter, and then a little bit later I'll make like a little omelet. Breakfast. It's a little savage though. I have my peanut butter, and this is my favorite peanut butter right now. This is the Jif cinnamon peanut butter, and then I have my apple right there. So I get a spoon of peanut butter and then just scoop my apple and then just eat it like that. It's my breakfast. But trying to keep it healthy, but it's a little savagery because you're just eating peanut butter like it ain't nothing. Let me put this here to like zoom it up. Okay, so I'll get a spoonful of peanut butter. You know, you don't eat each apple slice with the whole spoon of peanut butter because that's not good, but you just take a little piece of peanut butter. You see that? Breakfast. It's so crazy right now. Like all the things that are going on in America, like the Muslim ban, which is ridiculous. And it's like sad that like people that traveled for either like work, family stuff, vacation, or family emergency, or whatever they traveled for, and then they can't even come back into the country. Like that's ridiculous. And then to think like you were traveling and you're on your way back to the United States, and like in midair is when Trump made that executive order to ban Muslims coming from those specific countries, and then when you land, you find that out. Like that's like scary to me. Like that's so scary to think that like, you know, one person can just change like your life at that moment, and you don't know what you're supposed to be doing. And then people stuck at the airport, families stuck at the airport trying to like, you know, connect families again. Like that's just scary. Like what if that was me? Like if I was, say when we went to Nigeria and we were traveling back, and you know, Nigeria happened to be on the list of people, like banned countries for people to come into in midair, and then we land and we can't do anything. Like I would be so scared. Like I don't know. That's just scary, and it's sad, and it's ridiculous. And it's like this is just to think like every single day there's always something negative going on with the administration, the White House, the president, the people. Everyone's protesting every day. It's just bad, and it's scary to think like, is this how it's going to be every single day that this person is going to be in office? Like, just think about it, you know. And also it's like, okay, so those people that landed at JFK airport and they were deported back to their country because they couldn't get access into the country, so they were on the first flight back, you know, a lot of people were sent back. So it's just like, who is paying for those flights back? You know what I mean? Like, is it the airline companies? Is it America? Like, is it those countries? Like I just think about like all those flights back, like who's paying for that? You know, I don't know. Just to think, like, I hope it's not like our tax money or something, or, you know, I don't know. It's just, I don't know how those things work, but just like, who pays for that? You know, but it'll be us with like Uber and Lyft. Because I guess like during the protest in New York, like I think like taxi drivers and stuff, like, what was it? What's that word? Like, I don't know. Was it on strike or something? But taxi drivers stopped service for like a certain amount of time or something during the protests. And then like, I guess the way people saw is that Uber capitalized on the taxi drivers protesting. So they like stopped their price surge. If people use Uber, you know what price surge is. So their fares were cheaper. And then, you know, people saw that as like, you know, they're in support of Trump and all that stuff like that, and capitalizing on all the negativity that's going on. So a lot of people started the hashtag delete Uber, and a lot of people and celebrities were like, I'm not using Uber ever again. And, you know, like, we're on to Lyft. And then Lyft said that they're going to donate $1 million over the next 4 years to, you know, a organization. So it's just like one thing after the other. Now it's like Uber is, you know, the bad guy and stuff like that. Just like one thing after the other. And it's crazy how, you know, a lot of these companies that are popular, people use every day, you know, everyone knows about them, household name companies. And it's just like, if you say the wrong thing or even voice your political views, you know, you might get negative backlash, just like Uber did. So it's crazy. And then Airbnb, they said that they're gonna, you know, help house all those people and refugees that were banned from coming to the United States and sent back. So they said they have so many homes around the world and stuff like that. So they're gonna, you know, provide places for people to stay and stuff like that. It's just, one company does this thing and it's good, and then if they are against something, then everyone's like, no, you know. So it makes everything divided. Because we're gonna fall. United we stand, divided we fall. All right, so I just got done making 2 other videos. I made like, it's like a vlog within a vlog. Like, I'm vlogging, but I made another vlog about something else that I wanted to be separate. So it's like a vlog within a vlog. So when I put up these vlogs, I'm gonna be looking the same over the next couple of vlogs, but that's why you guys will see me looking the same. But yeah, I finished my hair. So I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to do more styles with my hair, and I'm liking this style. So this is, I'll show you the hair that I got. So I got this hair. Oh, I need a new SD card because it's almost gone. Oh, the end of this vlog. But yes, this is the app-free natural. Let's get into the light. App-free natural hair. I need to fix the setting. Perfect. So app-free natural hair. Whoops. And this is their definition braid. 100% Kenekalon. Actually crochet hair. I mean, that's how you can do crochet styles, but I made, well, I have a video on how I made it and stuff like that, but I'll have it up. But this is like the hair, and it's so good. And I think you can like heat this hair like with a blow dryer. I forget what video I saw, but I saw someone like heat it and they can like straighten it more and like have it more tame because it's like big and wild right now. But yeah, I'm loving the hair. I'm loving it. So this is a cute style. So we'll see how it lasts and stuff for a couple days. But yeah, so now I'm gonna look at my to-do list and see what next things to do.